Hello everyone! Today, let's talk about how to make information questions. Many people are having a hard time how to make information questions. What do you need to say at first? You're going to say question words at first. So if you're going to ask general information, what question word can you use? What? What is your name? My name is Julia. When you talk about time or a moment, what question word can you use? When? When do we leave? We leave in 10 minutes. When you talk about location, place, or position, what question word can you use? Where? Where is the library? The library is next to the police station. When you talk about person or people for subject, you are going to use who. Who is that man over there? That man is the new teacher. When you talk about person or people for object, informal case. Who did you visit? Who did you visit? I visited Mr. Kim. When you ask about choice between items, what question word can you use? Which? Which t-shirt do you like best? I like blue one best. When you want to ask possession or relationship, what question word can you use? Whose? Whose car is this? Whose car is this? This is my father's car. When you ask about reason, what question word would you use? Reason. Why? Why are you crying? I'm crying because I'm sad. When you ask about manner, quality, or condition, what question word can you use? How? How will you get to the station? I will take a taxi. When you ask about distance, what question word would you use? How far? How far is your house? My house is 2 blocks from here. When you want to ask about length or duration, what question word would you use? How long? How long was your vacation? My vacation was 2 weeks long. When you want to ask about quantity that is countable, what question word can you use? How many? How many books have you read this summer? I have read 15 books this summer. When you want to ask about quantity that is uncountable, what question word would you use? How much? How much money have you made this summer? I have made $500 this summer. When you want to ask about frequency, what question word would you use? How often? How often do you go swimming? I go swimming twice a week. Now you're going to listen to the sentences and then repeat after that. What is your name? My name is Julia. When do we leave? We leave in 10 minutes. Where is the library? The library is next to the police station. Who is that man over there? That man is the new teacher. Who did you visit? I visited my grandparents. Whom did you visit? I visited Mr. Kim. Which t-shirt do you like best? I like the blue one best. Whose car is this? This is my father's car. Why are you crying? I'm crying because I'm sad. How will you get to the station? I will take a taxi. How far is your house? My house is 2 blocks from here. How long was your vacation? My vacation was 2 weeks long. How many books have you read this summer? I have read 15 books this summer. How much money have you made this summer? I have made $500 this summer. How often do you go swimming? I go swimming twice a week.